Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing an important and often overlooked factor in artery calcification, vitamin K deficiency. Artery calcification is a serious condition that can lead to significant health consequences, and understanding how vitamin K plays a role in this process is crucial. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of vitamin K and arterial health. Artery calcification is a common condition that affects millions of people around the world. It occurs when calcium deposits accumulate in the walls of your arteries, leading to stiffness and decreased blood flow. Artery calcification is often associated with age and other health conditions such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. However, there is one overlooked cause of artery calcification that is often ignored: vitamin K deficiency. Vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. There are two main forms of vitamin K: vitamin K1 and vitamin K2. Vitamin K1 is found in leafy green vegetables, while vitamin K2 is found in fermented foods such as cheese and natto. Both forms of vitamin K are important for maintaining healthy arteries. Research has shown that vitamin K deficiency is associated with an increased risk of artery calcification. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that people with lower levels of vitamin K were more likely to have artery calcification, even after adjusting for other risk factors such as age, sex, and smoking status. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that vitamin K2 intake was associated with a lower risk of arterial calcification in older women. So, how does vitamin K deficiency lead to artery calcification? One theory is that vitamin K helps to activate a protein called matrix GLA protein, MGP, which is responsible for inhibiting calcium deposits in arterial walls. Without enough vitamin K, MGP is not activated, and calcium deposits can accumulate in the arteries. Additionally, vitamin K may help to reduce inflammation in the arterial walls, which can also contribute to artery calcification. Despite the important role that vitamin K plays in arterial health, many people are not getting enough of this vital nutrient. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that nearly a third of Americans are deficient in vitamin K1. Additionally, many people do not consume enough vitamin K2, as it is found in relatively small amounts in foods and is not commonly consumed in the Western diet. To ensure that you are getting enough vitamin K, it is important to consume a diet rich in vitamin K1 and K2. Some good food sources of vitamin K1 include kale, spinach, collard greens, and broccoli. Good food sources of vitamin K2 include fermented foods, such as cheese and natto, as well as meat and eggs from grass-fed animals. Additionally, some people may benefit from taking a vitamin K supplement to ensure they are meeting their daily needs. In conclusion, artery calcification is a serious condition that can have significant health consequences. While age and other health conditions play a role in the development of artery calcification, vitamin K deficiency is often overlooked as a contributing factor. By ensuring that you are getting enough vitamin K in your diet, you can help to reduce your risk of artery calcification and maintain healthy arteries. And that's a wrap on our discussion of vitamin K and artery calcification. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the importance of vitamin K in maintaining healthy arteries. If you enjoyed this video, Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. And as always, thanks for watching.